What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to build off of the previous video, the new candle HFT strategy, which if you didn't watch it, go watch it. Basically, the idea is that every half hour or every hour or every 4 hour work too, you there's a look I've noticed there's a little liquidity spike. So right when that happens, we are going to try and enter and just get a very short TP and see if we can profit off of that. So that was the last video. From that, so far, I have been running those strategies live here, and they're doing pretty good. I mean, this is since 6 p.m. Right now it's 11 p.m. So in 12 minutes, I'll try and record them. It's 10:48 right now. But yeah, they look pretty good. The only thing is, our TP and stop loss are just two numbers that I just picked off the top of my head. So in this video, what we're going to try and do is create a machine learning algorithm using AI that is going to learn from our positions and from the strategy what is the best stop loss and TP. So I'm not an expert in this at all, but AI can get it done. So first thing I did is copy and pasted it, gave it the code we were working with, and then basically just said create an AI model or machine learning model. Next, gave me some stuff. I said put the code into it and only give me the code. Gave me some stuff. Then basically what it was doing here is it was assuming you had a model already built and you would load up the parameters into your NinjaScripts file, which is not what we're doing. We want it to all run inside of the NinjaScript file. So I told it build it into the file, and that's where I had some errors. Told it that, and that's where I currently am. So stick around to understand how it works, and at the end of the video I'll post this what we get into the Discord. So make sure to join the Discord if you want this. But from here, so what it's doing is basically you can see all these states, and to be honest, I don't understand it great, but I get the idea of what it's trying to do. It's tracking the results and then saving it in what is apparently called the Q learning model, or a Q table, which is just a table which is going to record every scenario and kind of weight them the best. So essentially, this is the idea of what we're getting, right? We have different options or different states, and then we have different actions. And different actions have a different reward. So as this model trains, it's going to keep updating these rewards in real time, so that then, right, if we're in state 1, then it takes action B, which it would be like, at least I think it'd be like, if we're in a long, action B could be a stop loss of 15 ticks, right? And if that has the highest weight, this could say stop loss of 10 ticks. This reward is better, then we'll take this one. And in theory, that should make our algorithm better. But first, we need to get that to work. So what I did is I just copied this and then Control A, Control V, pasted it, and then it still has, I made a new file, so I'm going to just change the name. This is what I currently called it, just so I can compile it. Let's compile. and then open in Visual Studio. Oops, I did not. Alright, there you go. So, copy, pasted it. I have the old file here, new file. I just renamed it, and then open Visual Studio, and now we are here. So, let's open it, and already I did notice a couple issues which we need to change. So, first thing is when we were calculating the reward, that needs to be, basically we're calculating the profit. That's how much reward. That needs to be based off the entry price and the exit price. And this exit price is wrong, because the average price is where it gets filled at. So this should be the entry price, actually. Exit price, we need to find a different way to do that. Also, here's where we can set our entry price. So let's, right now, entry price is here. We'll go ahead and delete those. And instead, once we fill the order, equals order dot average fill price. And same thing here. That will give us the correct entry price. Now, when we calculate our reward, our exit price, let's see. On bar updates. Okay, so if position is flat and entry price is not 0, then we calculate the reward. We update our Q table and set the entry price to 0. Okay. So once we go flat, then we're saying our exit price is our position.average price, which is not what it is, because this will be called right after we close the position. So we're going to need to track our position. Okay, so once we fill our order, we should be in a position. So we could use the trades array, which is kind of a pain in the butt. Let me see. Where do I have that? Let's see if we can get it for each. Oh, what the? How did it know that's what we wanted? It's kind of weird. For each trade in trade performance in count dot okay. New idea. We do not need the trade when the trade closed. We just need, right? What this is being called on immediate, right? Immediately when a trade is closed, this will run one time. Then we set entry price to 0, then it will no longer run. So, it's assuming a position just closed. So, exit price is actually the most recent bar price because that's right what it closed at. So it should be within 1 or 2 ticks. Yeah. And yeah, that should do it. Let's compile. But just from going through this, those were the main errors I found. Let's do strategies. All right. One thing I want to add is we're going to draw dot text fixed. This string tag can just be data. We'll do text position dot top left. Now we'll make our string text equals yeah, we can do this. Not sure what the epsilon is, but all right. Now let's come back here and add that strategy. So we're going to start with a 7 and 10 like we've had. We're going to put it on the NQ 1 minutes. And see if we can't get this to start training and changing its inputs on the 1 minute. So I'm going to let this run. Oh, okay. Wait, Okay, but see, looks like it's working. We got our sell for our first entry. And let's see, we just missed the, how'd they do? So like this one won and the other lost. Looks about right. But yeah, I'm gonna let this run for about maybe 20 minutes, 10, 15 minutes, something like that. And then we'll come back and see if the take profit and stop loss change at all based on the learning. Alright, well, tried to run it for a little bit, and I keep getting an error that it cannot submit orders. So, I mean, it is trying to trade on, I guess, 11 p.m., low liquidity. There might be a bug, not sure. We didn't really add, like, the orders part is all still the same from the last strategy, so not really completely sure. But we definitely are learning. You can tell here, we were at like 10 and 5. After the first trade, it went to a 1 and 1. So I'll let it run tomorrow and we'll see. But oh, okay, that's good. We got away from that. See, like by now we should have already been filled. Like a long time ago. And the sell limit is just trailing the ask price. So the reason we're not getting filled is because there's very low liquidity. So yeah, that's, I mean, it looks like what I mean, but that's good to see that it adjusted the take profit and the stop loss, because I thought it was just going to stick to one the rest of like forever essentially. Okay, we got filled, and immediately, but yeah, that's good to see it's learning. So happy with that. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. If you do want this code, I might make some more changes tomorrow as I see how it works live. Okay, hit stop loss. But yeah, then I'll post it in the Discord. If you are interested, just go check out the Discord. Please like and subscribe to this video. Hopefully you saw how you can use AI to very easily and very quickly try new things in your strategies. The only thing with that is AI is not perfect, and there's usually small bugs that AI just does incorrectly. So you need to be able to be paying attention and know what your strategy is supposed to do so that you can correct it for the AI to so it does it right basically. But yeah, that's it for this video. Oh, let's adjust it again. So at the last one, his stop loss. So then it added one to each. Let's watch one more candle. Oh, that one hit TP. And then we'll see. Yeah. So I'm going to let this run. Probably put on the 15-minute. And then I'll let it run overnight. And see what it says in the morning. After we get this last candle. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace.